To begin voting on Webull, first ensure you have a Webull account and that you are eligible to vote in the company you wish to participate in. Webull is a commission-free trading platform that also offers the ability to participate in shareholder meetings and vote on company proposals. Step 1 is to navigate to the Webull app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the stock of the company you wish to vote on and select it to view its details page. On this page, look for a section labeled as Corporate Actions or Shareholder Meetings. Step 2 is to review the meeting materials and proposals. Webull will provide access to the meeting materials and proposals for the company, which will include information on what is being voted on and any recommendations from the company. Step 3 is to submit your vote. After reviewing the meeting materials and proposals, you can submit your vote by selecting the Vote button on the Corporate Actions or Shareholder Meetings page. You will then be asked to confirm your vote and will have the option to vote for or against each proposal. Some key concepts to keep in mind when voting on Webull include understanding the different types of proposals that may be up for vote, such as electing board members or approving executive compensation. It is also important to review the meeting materials carefully and consider any recommendations from the company before submitting your vote. Best practices for voting on Webull include staying informed about the companies you invest in and participating in shareholder meetings to have your voice heard. It is also a good idea to review the voting results after the meeting to see how your vote aligned with the overall outcome. In conclusion, voting on Webull is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and staying informed about the companies you invest in, you can participate in shareholder meetings and have your voice heard.